want to record this intro. Let's be honest.
Fuck intro.
Good thing I recorded that intro.
Yeah, likewise. I need you to send me that afterwards.
Hi guys.
Alright,
They
you
said
back
not
spoiling?
They said not to spoil, but Kirby is currently at negative.
Alright,
Hold on, yeah. Tell me his cards.
I don't even know where
squad.
he is.
Kirby
What's
is
fire,
at
but
neg
the scenario.
500, 600.
Yep, that's true. No, that's right.
Curdy.
Curdy. By the way, I know that y'all can see my chat messages. I don't care.
Oh, I thought you were like trying to be like.
Oh my god, Ben for UHC.
Welcome everyone to Band Practice UHC
Oh,
Season 4!
UHC Season 4! I'm allowed to play even though I'm in band, this is cringe.
Wait, what?
Band
Fire
Kid
the
L.
scenario?
In band isn't playing. Lost CJ.
Brink's in band, so he's allowed to play.
Brink's
Hey,
a band kid?
Yeah, Brink's a
wasn't-
band.
I
Are you
wasn't-
That
surprised?
makes so much
I don't know.
sense.
He's a
Surprised
trombone player. I'm gonna
That
call him a
makes even
tromboner.
more-
Hold on. Slash
Oh,
message
is
Brink
that-
Wild.
is that
But
like-
I'm gonna go into his call and call him a tromboner. He's gonna be really happy with it.
Is that like some sort of like
Trump.
racist remark for band people?
I'll be right.
Well,
You said
it actually
Kiss.
has the word boner in it, so that makes it funny.
Yeah,
He's
you
not
said
wrong.
the hard R. That's the problem. I'm not sure.
Where
that's
is the server
offensive
hosted?
or anything.
No idea. Why?
I think it's hosted in my backyard.
It's no wonder.
Texas?
It's 77 ping to your backyard.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad.
It's fast mostly that kind of stuff. Yo, does anyone know what Ring of Fire is? Like, what does it do?
When you
I have
die,
no idea what the game was there.
I think it's when you die, there's a ring of fire that appears.
Did
anyone
pay attention to the intro?
No.
Kinda.
Chili plays the baritone?
You play the baritone?
I went into his chat and sent tromboner and immediately left.
you played the baritone? I don't even know what that is, but I'm gonna.
I assume it's really embarrassing, so I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna make
It's
fun of it.
really not. It's really not.
This is.
I bet you blow into an instrument, huh?
Alright, I'm gonna go down. I don't know.
Guys, Aviles is currently at 645, 856.
True.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm
we're not supposed to
actually
tell
really
that.
needed that information. Gonna stalk him.
Actually, I was just in the wrong call.
Like, yeah, you're still in Brink's call right now. Hi, I'm Brink. Why? What's up?
Anti-cheat,
Hi,
Borneo
I'm-
gotta reach a
I'm
4.97
Claude. How
blocks
can I
with
help
35 ping.
Uh-oh.
Cheating?
Who's
He's
who's
cheating.
hacking?
Borneo
Borneo is hacking?
cheating.
Oh no.
Oh,
Someone should
Gareth
report
B.
him to the feds.
Can I go to like a spawner and like see if I can see the chest inside? That'd be kind of cool.
You should be able to, yeah.
Yeah, I think you can.
I'm gonna see if I can find a cool book.
I forgot. I got a
Are
bow.
you
I
fucking
got a bow.
kidding me?
I got a bow.
Why are there no mic? Oh, there's a spawner.
Yo, is there final heal?
I don't think so.
Avile.
Avile.
First damage.
Because I fell into a cave.
First damage goes to Avile. I should probably not say this, but They probably will get really angry at me.
Wait a second, this is not cut clean? Why did I
That's
show
not
up?
Hey, Blasty, you could always. No, I'm kidding.
Oh,
Okay.
such a
I
cat.
found a spawner. Yo, Chili, I found a spawner. No fucking way, bro.
Hey, what a weird
Okay.
coincidence that
Wait,
Black
slash
Pants and I'm
CC
Chili
here.
both left the game at the
Oh,
same
that's so weird. Nothing good.
It's
Sorry,
so
Fear.
weird that they both crashed at the same
Oh, I
time.
got a name tag. Hell yeah.
Are horses on? I didn't listen to it.
No, but I'm totally naming a pig.
Oh, true. Get like a dinner bone pig and ride it to victory.
Wait, can you name a pig Technoblade and it does something? Or
No, not yet.
No, not yet. I've seen the video where someone like made,
They
like,
added Technoblade to the Minecraft launcher. Too bad no one uses that.
Bro, the amount of people who are
But,
clickbaiting death is kind of crazy.
It's kind of scary. I heard there's also like people who are like making videos and then making like full-on conversations and arguments of why he deserved it.
Oh, that's so dumb.
What?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not the greatest.
They all do it for
look.
views.
and then they say hashtag #RipBozo on Twitter, even though like I don't know.
That's kind of
I
funny.
feel like trolling people that are dead is kind of like
No,
messed
fairs.
up.
Especially too soon. Too soon. Any too
Yeah.
soon
It's just
in the
kinda
chat.
fucked
Like,
up.
especially when it's a guy like Technoblade that like, I'm not sure you could
Where's
say
young
anything
Kimos?
bad he's ever done before. Like,
Well, Twitter found a way and they canceled him.
oh, probably. I'm sure he like, I'm
For like a
sure
day, he
he
got
did
canceled.
something wrong when he was 15 years old.
Yeah, he had to delete a lot of his old videos.
Right now, because all these.
He just silently
idiots-
did it, didn't tell anyone about it.
Where'd young Kimos go?
I still
Yeah.
love that
Everyone
one
thinks
clip of when he was
Technoblade
playing
is
with
so
Calvin.
good, but did y'all know in 5th grade he stole someone's pencil?
Oh my god, I can't
Oh
support
my-
someone who
Dude,
steals
that sounds like
pencils.
the Iron Wolf chase story.
Oh yeah. That is,
Dude, I was
that
so
is
angry
wild.
that I had a pencil. I just
Hey,
snapped it.
Aviles, look at this.
That is my story of how I almost killed someone.
Are you left? Wait, what? Look at what? Oh wow! Oh my god! You fear? Aren't you a
Dude,
big
that
boy?
was the most cringiest story I've ever heard in my life. Made me laugh though. I won't admit.
Wow, you do you have
Oh, I
like
found a
extra
golden
coal
apple.
fear?
Do you have extra coal?
Yeah.
Yes, I have extra coals in my furnace.
Hey, yo, who's chopping trees beside
Okay,
my
well,
trees?
I'm gonna
I've just
I'm
been-
gonna chop
I-
trees right
Actually,
now.
what?
I've just been chilling. I've been chilling in the caves.
Yo, look at this
Ooh,
sweat.
look at this.
Look at the
Leaves
sweat
and
mode
apples.
activated.
Shut up,
Aviles.
Squirrel. No one cares about your.
Can you see
Who cut down these
how
trees?
I can see how far.
Wait, what are people no crossing, bro? Can we kick Chili because he's really mean?
I believe young Chili is bullying.
Bro.
Kirby messaged me
when-
true.
When they said,
Oh,
when they
guys,
said,
guess what team we're beside? Guess what team we're beside?
who?
Light blue.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
If you
I
kill him,
think-
you're canceled. If you kill him, you're canceled.
That's like the probably the
If you
better,
kill him.
the best team.
Oh yeah, what if I come out as like like
You
Wait,
should come
Kimos,
out as
Kimos, where are you? I wanna
you should
come over and
out as,
scare
like,
them.
Bisexual. You should come out bisexual in the chat, and then 5 seconds later kill like one of them.
93,
just type in I'm bisexual by the way, and then moments
Maybe he
later,
And then just
like,
and then
he
just kill
craves him
and then
was
just
slain
kill
by
him with
Aviles.
no, you kill him with a sword that you named straight.
No, and then you
I'm
and then
actually
you
straight,
come out and you're
lol.
like, guys, I'm sorry,
straight
I made a
stick.
mistake. I'm
Y'all
not
should
actually
y'all
bi."
should name your sword. Y'all should name your swords. My straight stick.
I'm naming my bow Blizzard after Blackie's cat
What? Why are you naming it after
Wow,
my cat?
Don't need to
because
use a racial
I
slur
decided
here.
it yesterday, bro. I want to name it Blizzard.
Anybody in the caves yet? Why is Fury full iron? What the hell?
Yeah, he's
Dude,
been
he's
speedrunning.
full iron already! Oh my gosh!
So we're just gonna like,
Guys,
you know what? Never
we
mind.
are
Where's
stacked!
Mos?
I am
Here is full iron!
in your mom.
Why'd you
Uh-huh.
smile?
Good one.
Oh, I just wanted to intimidate everyone.
And they really think that y'all are the scariest team. Okay.
Who's y'all, by the way? Who,
Yeah,
like,
who's
who-
y'all? Yeah, can you
who-
define
who's-
y'all, please?
Kirby.
Oh.
I mean, Kumo's by himself is scary, to be fair. Aiden is
Bro.
not anymore.
Whoa, that's hey.
Yeah, real.
Hey,
Hey, no one
Hey,
is.
that's
why are you
Uncalled
scared
for,
of
man.
Kumo?
I am working on my appearance, and you are just
That is
bringing me
rude.
down.
Yeah, I'm not scary anymore. I'm actually getting a lot
I'm just gonna hang out with
scares.
the blue team.
I think we just gave Aviles all of our diamond armor.
Facts.
Pull that.
We gotta protect them too. Come on now.
It's gonna just make it just like the arena, where I just get all the diamond armor
Exactly.
and everyone just dies for my sake, and then I lose the
And then
game.
we all get targeted by Brody.
Oh yeah, I can imagine that Brodator is gonna be the one who kills us.
Would be a
Zibby-
fitting end, I
Zibby
would
is
think.
Dude, you'll be fine. It was still dying with like 15 hearts once, and I was one team.
Yo,
and I
whoa,
killed
we're
him.
also by Cubic's team, guys. We're also by
we
the
have a
the
rod.
red team. We're also by Cubic, Envil, Ben, and Nick.
got-
Well, Edmonds at 10.
That's a
Oh.
GG.
Good.
The Sheep Master's at 16.
That's a really good team, by the way. Why did they say your team's better than Red? What?
I don't know.
That's
What?
Nick's good, Cubic good, Ben is a sweat, and then
Yeah,
I guess
fucking
I'm
Ben and
but,
IDK.
like, yeah.
Wait, Kimos, where did you go? Who is this?
I'm
Wait, I
underground.
need to ask Kirby why they thought Red was a
I
good
see,
idea.
I see young Kirby. I see young Kirby.
Kill him!
Stalk him.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh.
Edmonds.
Never mind. I was gonna message Kirby why he
Oh,
thought Red
and
was a
Evzin just died.
Young Kirby, I see young
Yeah,
Kirby.
Don't
that's why Red was
respawn.
allowed.
No respawn.
Slash message.
My
How
cat
is
is saying meow. I'm not sure if y'all can hear.
Young Changelix is following me. This is not okay.
Guys, I found one piece of gold. Let's go. I found 2 pieces of gold.
Probably should go down to a cave, huh? That's a good idea.
I have a hunch that red might win this game.
Did they respawn that? Oh
Yes.
my gosh, dude. What in the world? Dude, if XX Maximus was here, he would be so mad because he plays
Facts.
real UHC, guys, where you don't respawn people all willy-nilly.
I died F1 in Epic 2 seasons in a row. I didn't get a respawn.
Bro,
What
when
the
they
fuck?
said
Oh, I see
painkillers
Cumos again.
on, I got so many.
Oh,
I got
Avals.
Hello.
so many
Hello. Hey,
flashbacks
Avals.
of-
Aiden. Aiden.
What? Yes?
Fucking Apocalypse, Blasty.
What?
Bro, I got
Oh, thank you.
PTSD from Young Jetto.
That was me.
Did I give you enough,
Encouraged
Aiden?
by Young Jetto.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Oh, there's cows over
Blasty,
here.
you do realize that was me.
Now, where
No,
the
Jetto
fuck
has
are the
definitely killed.
apples?
Guys, to our
Maybe,
to
but
the
in Apocalypse, remember
to the
I
north
said,
is
if
where
you
all
eat that
the
cap,
sort
I'm
of
killing
people
you,
are.
and then I killed
Oh,
you.
shit.
Don't go
Oh,
north,
yeah,
got it.
Yeah, don't go north, nerds. Don't go north.
And we proceeded to win.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we won, yeah.
I
Is that a
believe
cat?
that's Blizzard, bro.
Kick it.
That's Blizzard.
My bad.
Blizzard.
This is why I'm naming
Didn't
my
mean it.
bow Blizzard.
Wasn't Blizzard like a horrible company? Like abused their employees and
I
stuff?
think
Yeah,
so,
they
yeah.
fucking
Well,
stays, and
we
they
named
stole
him that.
breast
We
milk.
named him that in 2015. They hadn't exactly.
And you
finished
didn't
the-
change his name? Cancelled.
Instantly
I
canceled.
wanna look. I'm gonna go TP the young king.
Yeah, now you have to, I have to call him Dave.
Okay, Kimo. Okay,
Dave the
Kimo.
cat.
Pop off. Pop off, Kimo.
That's for you.
Are y'all able to secure apples? Because I'm
got-
not.
I got 10.
I only have.
Nice cave,
2.
Kimos.
Thanks, man.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't pick my frames back up. Damn it.
I'm X-ring.
you're X-raying.
Oh my
Guess
god,
I'll just
diamonds.
start
Diamonds.
caving.
Those are not
Kimos
diamonds.
found diamonds in
Those
episode
are-
Diamonds.
those-
1?
those
Diamond.
are not-
Diamond.
Those are not diamonds.
Diamonds.
Kimos is lying to you.
I have 19.
He is just.
How could-
He is.
how
He is
More
just lying.
diamonds.
He-
More diamonds.
he's
Look at
like,
that,
God.
Chili.
You, Mouse, you are
He's just
so
lying.
cool and...
Oh my god. Look at the wait.
Also,
Hold on.
Have you
Hold on. Wait.
found diamonds yet? Yes, they have. Okay.
Who found diamonds?
Whoa,
Oh yeah, I probably shouldn't
spoilers.
ask you. Never
Yep,
mind.
I'm spoiling.
Sorry, my bad.
I got 44 diamonds.
Yep, that seems real.
Yeah, I don't see.
Why would I lie to my team, Chili? God.
Yeah, what kind of teammate do you think he is?
Yeah.
Lol.
He thinks he's some sort of stupid idiot that no one likes.
Yeah. I would never mistake diamonds for lapis.
Sure. I think diamond rates are kind of high.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Spoiler alert, dude.
I did
Well.
such an exceed.
You know what else is kind of high?
So,
What?
Me.
Facts.
I
What's wrong? What's high?
kind of suck at the whole mining thing, so.
I'm sensing
I know,
you
but
can't be worse
Blasty,
than
you're
me,
like,
bro.
But Blasty, you're a PvP god, so it's okay.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, Bossy,
More diamonds.
I did kill Fear
Got more
the other
diamonds.
day in a mine man game.
How'd that go for you?
Pretty good because I killed Fear. And anytime you kill Fear, it's a good day.
Okay, good.
You're kind of washed. Not gonna lie.
Who, me? Yeah, that's facts.
Kind of fell off. Fell off.
Yeah, you
plus
fell
ratio.
off plus L plus ratio.
He was cheating. He
This-
has
Yeah.
He has
I hope
45
strip mining
diamonds.
is allowed, 'cause I found
44.
diamonds.
Get it right.
He has 44 diamonds.
Oh.
Good. As long as you cheat, if you're on our team only, bro. If you're on any other team, then that's fucked up.
What the?
Oh,
Okay.
If you
No,
were
that guy
friend.
died. I can't wait for him to get respawned.
No res, no res, no res.
Wait, okay, red team said no res, but freaking they had someone get respawned, bro.
Because it's only nice when it happens to them. What the hell? I don't even
That
blame
is
him. I would do
so
that too.
good.
I don't even know who Q Firm is. Q
I don't
Firm?
want
Is it?
respawn.
Oh, is
I
it
need
T
that
Firm?
back, then I
Is
want-
that T Firm?
Oh, I hope not.
Oh my god, there's no.
Q
I
Firm?
hate that guy.
I don't
Whoa,
think he-
whoa,
Yo,
whoa.
Can someone check if he's in the Discord? I don't want any more threatening people to be here.
Oh shoot, I'm an idiot.
Tell us something we don't know, bro.
I got fish roll on a
I
scrap.
found a mine shaft!
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Let's go.
I'm guessing y'all are gonna want me to secure quite the amount of string.
Copious amounts of string, yes.
Copious amounts of string.
Alright, I got
Hey yo, whose cave am I in? And if it's any of you guys, I'm team killing.
Okay.
What's the command?
I hope you're in my cave.
Oh my god.
I just got a music disc from a creeper?
Oh,
Yeah,
congratulations.
you know you can do that, right?
She craves them. Do I stalk?
Wait,
I don't see why
he craves. I don't even know who that is.
He
Oh,
craves
either.
him? I don't know who that is.
If it's he craves him, then that's Djo.
It's
are you
she
saying
craves
that-
them.
that's
You have a
not them,
problem with
so
DJ
thank-
It's not them.
Thanks, Save Isler.
Oh,
Are you saying you have a problem with DJ Waviles?
Well, wait, I mean,
That's what I'm hearing.
he's good, so yeah,
That's what I'm hearing. Wait, he's good?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's news to me.
I mean, unless you can, you're confident that you can beat him. Then by all
I
means,
killed him
man.
300 times the other day.
Oh, nice. Then good job.
Oh,
And
I
my
won't go
train.
after them, but I'm just gonna run the opposite way.
But if you do kill him, you are homophobic, by the way. So I wouldn't do
Yeah.
it.
What do you mean? I have the gay pride skin and everything.
So what, you're just gonna kill your own now?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Well, thanks for
Wow.
coming out, Kimos. Now we just uncover your secret, dude.
Congratulations.
Now I'm gonna
Thank you.
hold it over you. I'm gonna hold it over you, over your head now.
I'm
You
gonna
gonna
make
blackmail
fun
me
of you
about my
for it.
identity? That's fair. I just
That-
F5 abused. Is that allowed?
I don't think so.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Okay, I didn't do it. I don't know.
You have a lot of specs, so.
Ah, they didn't see.
Yeah,
don't tell
totally,
the
totally,
don't tell the
Kimos.
spectators. Don't tell the spectators that you're F5 abusing right now.
/SC
Kimos F5 abused.
Ah, there's a cave spider, bro! Get the heck away from me.
You better not freaking die, dude.
Dude,
What the hell?
if this was Cube UHC, mate, I would have just died.
Oh, yeah.
What? Why?
Guys, you wanna
Because the Cube UHC players were very bad at dealing with cave spiders back in the day.
UHC.
What's Cupid's arrow again? Is it when you shoot someone, you like something happens to you?
You heal like a percent, I think, maybe?
Ooh, I see. Good.
Hey,
thinking.
Files, would you like to
Yeah.
organize the next season of Time Warp UHC pretty soon?
Oh, yeah.
Why am I shirt mining a Y9?
So excited to host another season of Time Warp
Me
UHC.
too.
Even
We
though we
totally
had like the
didn't
final
have all our
season or
players
anything.
leave.
We can just use the remaining, the real homies.
The remaining people.
Yeah, the real ones.
The real.
We can just call this Time Warp UHC. I'll put in the title. This is Time Warp
Hey,
UHC
guys.
season 5.
Essentially Time Warp UHC.
Yeah, this is Time Warp
I
UHC.
don't think we actually should do another season of Time Warp UHC because I won season.
No one
3.
cares.
I won
Yes.
season 3, so I have to be the last one to win. Oh my
Honestly,
gosh, guys! I found gold, iron, and lapis lazuli in a chest.
Oh.
what are your guys' chords? Slash there.
Slash there.
Aviles is actually
Oh, no.
currently.
I got gosh darn poisoned.
Oh my
no.
god.
I
Oh
pulled the
Oh
QBHD.
my god. Oh
I
my.
pulled the QBHD, guys.
Oh, Black Pants.
Wait, I should have logged out. Dang it.
I don't think that's a. I don't know if that works like that.
Is there a final heal? F2.
I could have.
No.
I could have.
Would anyone like to change their name to William Street?
I don't get it.
And you go in
I don't get
I
it.
don't really get it either. I'm not gonna cap.
You got this, Kimos. Don't die F2.
Don't go north.
Hey,
right?
that's my specialty.
Don't go north is what I'm hearing right here.
Oh, guys, I'm in He Craves Me's cave, and I have been instructed not to kill him.
What?
Kill him.
Kill him.
Okay, guys,
Has anybody-
I can confirm that.
Has anybody on your
absorption
team
is
found
not
diamonds yet?
I don't think
No.
so.
No, I have 44. What do you mean?
Yeah, Kino's on 44.
Early.
I have 15.
I'm gonna make 44 jukeboxes.
Wait, Fear, you said don't go north, right?
Yeah, but this man's is in my cave. Oh, I think is there diamonds over here? Let me check.
I don't even know where the fuck I am. I'm lost.
Oh, I'm lost.
Time to cook up in the kitchen though.
Wah wah. Noot noot.
South. Here it comes. Away from north.